Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on high blood pressure alerts on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, grab the phone that is paired with your Apple Watch and open the app library on it. Then find Health application, open it, scroll down until you find Get More from Health, Options, and find Hypertension notifications. Select Setup, then give answers to the following questions by selecting one of the options on the list. Then click Continue, then click Next, Next, then Next, and then basically proceed by selecting Next all the time. And right now the notifications are enabled, and each time your blood pressure is too high, you will receive the notification on the Apple Watch. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.